Welcome everybody. We are now at Purvashtogram Union Parishad Complex, and you see with me a viral boy named Syed Jaman, and he is very much popular on Facebook because he has got Facebook content monetization, and he is earning nowadays. And recently he has earned $10, almost $10 from Facebook, and he has given us a treat on the occasion of getting content monetization. And for this monetization, he has worked very hard because he has given a lot of pictures on Facebook, and he went to different places to make a video. And I wish him all the best because he is earning, and one day he will be a celebrity, I think, because he is a hardworking person and he is very much a gentleman also. And we think that everybody should work hard if he or she wants to shine in life. So Jaman Bhai is our inspiration. So I wish him all the best. Thank you very much. See you next.